Hello, Jackson T. Welcome back to the channel. It is finally week 9's eviction, or week 10. Yeah, week 10's eviction. And of course, the show started with, Lawrence and Ebuka paying tribute to South African artist Victoria Bosman, who passed on this week. And, they prayed that she gets to the great beyond in peace. And then, of course, Ebuka kicked the announcement by greeting Blaqboi for being the head of house another time, I think the second time. And then he began calling on the housemates who were up for eviction to stand up. That was Yvonne, Thabang, Nana, Tati, Blue Aiva, Kanaga Jr., and I think Khosi. Yeah. And then Miracle OP, yes, if I'm not mistaken, there are 8 of them. And then he just went on directly to announce that the next housemate who is up for eviction, who has been evicted from the Big Brother show, is Blue Aiva. And I'm like, oh wow, I didn't really see that coming. Because to be honest, my heart is still suspecting that Tati and maybe Nana might get evicted somehow, some way. But no, they decided to, render Blaqboi a widower. It seems like that's what they've been doing to most people. I just hope Kanaga Jr. or Tati don't join in the train. Well, as usual, we had Blue Aiva come into the show, like the stage with Lawrence and Ebuka. She came in a grand style. Now, I didn't see it, but I met them when they were like saying, oh, this is how to make an eviction exit and stuff. So, of course, Ebuka then asked her a question that she's been one of the most talked about housemates from the day she entered down to today. Now, why was she patient with how Yemi was treating her, knowing that she was fully the other girl and she wanted to be upgraded? She was seeking to be, the main girl. She wanted to be on top. But Blue Aiva responded that now she's always on top, and that, with Yemi, she just had fun. She operated, and it was time for her to shine. She knew so much about herself, and she just wanted to know more. When she was done with the talking, of course, we saw her time in the Big Brother house. It was fun. It was cool. Blaqboi is still very heartbroken for the second time in 2 weeks after not being picked by Ipeleng for the finals. And then she walked out, strutted like a queen. And then, of course, we had Lawrence Maleka, who came and called the housemates, of course, those who were up for eviction, to stand up. As he said there are sure people, 5 people who are automatically safe for tonight. Now, I don't know. I'm sure that there are 4 who have been saved. Are they telling what? Are they trying to tell us that there are more than 3 people that will be evicted? That's crazy. Anyways, in no time, he announced that the next person to be evicted from the Big Brother show is Nana. And Nana then did the most shocking thing of the Big Brother house. Nana walked out without saying goodbye to any of the housemates, not even Yvonne. Nobody. She just walked out. People were calling her Nana, Nana. She ignored everybody. I'm like, what the hell? Nana has been one girl who would never, ever accept defeat. She would never agree to be beneath, even though we're saying that literally she was beneath or she was rejected. Because, Lawrence and Ebuka had to ask her, what was it about Blaqboi? Was it genuine, or what was it? And she says, well, initially she had little feelings for him, but of course he was her game. Literally, she came to play him. She used him, in quote. She operated him, and they were like, are you sure? She said yes, that her plan when she was coming to the Big Brother house was to only fall in love with a South African man and not a Nigerian man. So after in the initial likeness that she had for what's his name, Blaqboi, disappeared, it was just all, using him and trying to see the next person she was going to use. I'm like, okay, I could believe her a little bit, because we saw how she started getting close and clingy towards Justin, but that's it. Anyways, she left in a grand style. She left, and of course, we were not done for the shocker of tonight, as the next thing we saw was Lawrence announcing the next housemate to be evicted from Big Brother's house. Yes, Lawrence Maleha announced that Miracle OP is the next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother house. Now, before I even continue on the reactions from the housemates, we saw how, Blaqboi has been quiet. He had shed a little tear for Blue Aiva and didn't even react when Nana was evicted. He was just still in shock that the two ladies he might have had something for were evicted. And then, of course, khosi was doing a crocodile cheers towards, Miracle's eviction. And he hugged all the housemates he could hug before leaving, and it's crazy. This is officially the biggest. Is it the biggest? Okay, no, it will be the biggest if they actually evict 5 housemates, but so far so good. It is a shocking eviction, because what I did expect Miracle OP to be evicted, not the time. And the time came for, Lawrence and Ebuka to question Miracle OP. Ebuka asked him, like, what is it that is going on between him and khosi right now? Like, is there anything that was going to grow now that he's out of the show or by the end of the show? He said no, he is not intimately or sexually attracted or romantically attracted to her anymore. He respects her as a woman. He would be her friend and stick with her anytime, any day, but nothing intimate anymore. And then Ibuka asked him, what about Ipeleng? Like, what is going on with it? Is this something serious? He said, oh, he doesn't know, especially if they got out of the house. And all of them busted out into laughter. What that gave me is the fact that, Miracle OP actually was using Ipeleng. He wanted to use her to get to the finals. That was his game plan, but it didn't work for him. And here was Ipeleng crying that she was going to miss him, aside khosi's fake tears. Then Ibuka finally asked him, what is it that is going on genuinely? What does he feel towards Yemi? He says initially during the show he lost respect for Yemi with the way he was treating women and stuff like that, but over time he saw a change, down to the point where he got evicted. He saw that Yemi actually was a changed guy and he has nothing against him, so they're really cool. Ooh, I actually thought we were going to have 5 housemates to be evicted from the Big Brother show tonight. Week 10, it is crazy. Now we have Tsatsi Kanaga Jr., Blaqboi, Thabang, khosi, and yeah, I think those are the number of housemates. Yes, and then there is Justin and whoever. They've moved on to the semi-finals of the Big Brother show. We had Ibuka talk to the housemates and told them to relax, that the evictions was done, but they should have fun. They shouldn't care what anybody says. That is actually what the show is about. Anyways, guys, this is a hint that khosi and Thabang will get on with their crazies, and we are expecting it. So I'm going to bring you that update later tonight. See you. While you Kanati soldiers are rejoicing, I need to let you know that Kanaga Jr. escaped elimination by a little thread. He was the 4th least voted housemate during the week. I don't know what happened to you guys, but it seems that you guys just have mouth online and don't have actual mouth when it comes to voting. This is pointing out to the fact that he might not win the competition with the way y'all are voting. So, of course, vote for your favorites. Go all out. Stop making noise online. Kanaga Jr. and Tati might not escape next week's eviction.